Welcome to my class Super KVNs powered by Super Teachers. Today we are going to discuss about the 18th chapter of class 4th EVS, that is too much water, too little water. So let's begin the class. This incident is about Nalamada place of Andhra Pradesh state, where Suguna is the main character. Here you can see Suguna is reading her book when she heard someone at the door. She saw that there was a visitor from the city. While Suguna was reading the book, one visitor came from the city. When the visitor or the guest came to the city, he visited Suguna's house and Appa welcomed her. And he told Selva to bring a cold drink for him. You can see here, this is Selva. He told Selva to bring a cold drink for him. But you can see that the visitor refused to take cold drinks, as cold drink is not good for our health. He refused. He just told, I need a glass of water. But what happened? Appa told, it does not even clean. Here the water is not at all clean. It is always better if you do not drink this water, do not have a choice, so we drink it. Because as the water available there in Nalamada of Andhra Pradesh, the water is not clean. That's why they don't have any option. That's why they are supposed to drink cold drinks. So the water in the Nalamada was too dirty. But whereas in the other scene you can see, it is about the Bazar Gaon of Maharashtra, a big water park. Even in the Raipur also you have seen a water park is there in the name of Fun City. So near Bazar Gaon, one day Rohan and Reena went with their parents. You can see this is Rohan and this is Reena. They are going to the water park with their parents, and there were many water fountains. Reena, look, Rohan, there are so many rides in the water. All of you must have seen this, that there are different type of rides. They are enjoying with different sounds, splash, splash, zoom, zoom, etc. And what happened then? After that, children were sliding down a big tall slide and landing in water with a loud splash. You can see they are sliding into the water and they are creating sounds like splash. But within few times, they heard a lot of noise and loud voice from outside the park. When they were enjoying in the water park, they heard a large noise or voice outside the park. Everyone ran towards the main gate. There was a crowd of people carrying empty buckets and pots. A small child carrying an empty bottle was clinging to his mother. So when they arrived at the gate, they saw that the people were shouting with empty buckets and empty pots. Even a small child was there who was carrying an empty bottle. The woman replied angrily, you ask what is the matter? Our wells have no water. We get our water only when the tankers come once a week. They are not having the water at their place. That's why they were in tension. As you can see, here is a lot of water in the water park, and at the same time there is no water at their house. That's why they had come here and they are asking that now what we will do, as we don't have any water and you are playing with the water and we are not having the water even for drinking. So can you drink this? One point it's here. It's of Cafe Parade of Mumbai. The lift stopped at the 26th floor. Now this incident is of Mumbai, as it was a holiday. Rajia's madam, his mother Deepak had gone with his mother to Rajia's madam house. His mother worked there. So Deepak's children who has gone to Rajia madam's house, where the mother of Deepak, is working. Raja was reading a newspaper. She smiled when she saw Deepak. It was a holiday, and Deepak was enjoying television there, as Deepak loves cartoons in televisions. Raja called out, Puspa. Puspa is the mother of Deepak. It says in the newspaper that the gutter water has got mixed with the water in the drinking water pipes. So it was in the newspaper that the gutter, the bad water, the dirty water is mixed with the drinking water pipes. Generally in Mumbai, this is a common incident that the gutter pipes and the drinking water pipes, they mix. Sometimes they mix due to the leakage in the pipes. So many people are sick with diarrhea and vomiting because if you will take dirty water, we will suffer from diarrhea. So now the Rajya is suggesting that why don't you throw away the field water? The whatever water you have kept, you should throw away it and put some fresh water to boil for drinking. As the water is not clean, we should boil it before drinking. And at the same time, we can put some chlorine tablets in the water also for make it more safe for drinking. Now, one more incident that whenever we are suffering from diarrhea is a disease generally occurred due to the dirty water. What we can do? We can do two things. Whether we can purchase ORS from the nearby medicals, ORS, that is oral rehydration salt, or at the same time you can see here you can take one boiled glass of water. Step 1, you have to take one boiled glass of water, make it cool. After that, put one teaspoonful sugar here. After that, put some pinch of salt. At first, put some sugar, full spoon sugar, and one pinch of salt into it. Then we can drink it in order to make our body rehydrate. Generally, in the lack of water, we feel many problems like diarrhea and vomiting. So we can prepare the ORS in our house also by using this menu. And at the same time, light food must be taken during diarrhea and vomiting. We should take the light food. We should not eat much food. We should eat only the light food, and at the same time we should get the advice of the doctors also. One more incident here, it is all about Holgundi of Karnataka state. This incident is of Holgundi, where in the past 3 years the rain has become very less and people are not getting water for drinking. But here, as you see the caption, children show the way. The children are so talented. There is a panchayat of the children. As the students have framed one committee that is called Bhima Sangh. You can see here Bhima Sangh, one committee is there of children. They ask the villagers that why there is lot of water shortage in our village. Then the village people told that earlier there was a big water tank in the hill area, and the tank would fill with water when it rained, and there were fish in the tank also and lot of greenery around it. But nowadays it is not possible. Then the children decided to visit the tank in the hill. When they visited there, they found that there were lot of muds and stones. So how could the water will fill there? The tank had many cracks. Even the tank had cracks also. So the children started cleaning the tank and they tried to make it work again. After many years, again the village Holgundi of Karnataka became greenery and there was no shortage of water. Now move to the question answer part. How can dirty water harm our body? Dirty water can cause many diseases like diarrhea. Have you ever got dirty water in your area? What was the reason for this? Yes, it was due to the leakage in the pipe. You can write your own answer also. What do you think Saguna's family must be doing for their drinking water. They must make the water boiled and add chlorine tablet for this purpose. In order to make the water clean, you can boil, or at the same time you can add chlorine tablet to it. The guest said he did not take cold drinks. Why do you think he said this? The guest refused to take cold drinks. Why? Because the cold drinks can cause trouble in our body, mainly in our digestive system. So cold drinks is not at all good for our health. We should avoid drinking it. Have you ever played in water? Where and when? Yes, I have played in the water park in 2019 because just arriving of Corona, all the water parks are now closed. Are there times when you are not allowed to play in the water? What are the reasons for this? Suppose there are sufficient waters, but still you are not allowed to play. When there is shortage of water, suppose there is no more water, less water, so we will not allow to play. When the water is deep, it is very risky. When the water is deep, we should not enter into it. And when the water is dirty, so in this case we are not allowed to play with the water. If you go to water park, find out from where the water comes to the park. You must have seen, but my question is here that from where we get water in water park. It comes from the pipelines. Razia in newspaper, you have already read. Where was Razia worried when she read the newspaper? Why Razia was in tensions? Because she found that the gutter water had mixed in the water pipe. That's why Razia was worried. Razia asked that all the water that was spilled in the day before should be thrown. Could this water have been used for something else? What kind of things? The water they have filled before, they are supposed to throw it. But now, in which alternative way, in which another way they can use the water? The water can be used for washing and watering plants in the garden, because dirty water we can use for washing floors outsides, and sometimes you can use it for watering the plants also. In what way did she plan to make the water clean? What was the method Razia adopted? By boiling. Do you know of any ways to make water clean? Yes, by boiling or by filtering or adding chlorine tablets, you can make the water clean. Suppose Raja has not read the newspaper and everyone has drunk the water without boiling it. What could have happened? If they would not have boiled the dirty water, what would have happened? Obviously, they would fall sick. Where does the water in your school come from? Now it is a water survey in the schools. When the school will reopen, obviously we will have this survey. Where does the water in your school come from? It comes from the tank. In your school, from where do you take water to drink? From tap. Is the place around the drinking water taps or container and matkas clean regularly? Yes, in our school it makes clean regularly. Where does the water that is split go? When you wash your hands, where does the remaining water go? It go to the school garden through drain pipes. How is the water made safe for drinking in your schools? In our schools, there is a help. We take the help of water filter, as there are fitted there. Now, in the next part, write yes or no. Are there separate toilets for girls and boys? Yes. Is there water in the toilets? Yes. From where does the water come? From tap? Yes. From filled container? No. Has to be bought? No. Is there water for washing hands near the toilet? Yes, there. Do you wash your hands after using the toilets? Yes, I do. So, thank you for watching this. In the next video, we will learn about one more lessons. So, till that time, stay home, stay safe. Thank you for watching.